Creative distortion can turn predictable patterns into expressive artwork, giving your designs a sense of motion and personality. How to explore pattern distortion creatively. Open Photoshop and create a square canvas, around 1500 by 1500 pixels, then build a repeating motif using the brush or shape tool and distribute copies evenly across the surface. Once the layout looks balanced, merge visible layers into a smart object so distortions remain editable. Go to Edit, Transform, and experiment with warp, perspective, or distort to bend the pattern subtly while maintaining overall structure. For more experimental effects, open Filter, Liquify, and gently push